The FHC and rail self-closing HERC-DOOR is the secret to clean, modern entrances. A completely re-engineered door closer, hidden but capable. Our self-closer is factory installed directly inside the HERC-DOOR rail. No exterior arms, nothing to interrupt the design of your entry. Built for real-world traffic, tested for hundreds of thousands of cycles, quiet, smooth, reliable. Factory installed and ready for use. Adjustable closing and latching speed, surface mounted, no floor cutouts required. Double acting functionality for interior applications, supports doors up to 40 inches wide and 220 pounds. Available with 90-degree hold open or non-hold open options. The closer you don't see, working every time you do. The self-closing HERC-DOOR closer. You now have a choice.